The Defense Minister of Nepal, Iswar Pokhran, have jumped into the latest border dispute between India and Nepal by saying that army will fight if necessary. This whole conflict started when Prime Minister of Nepal, KP Oli, approved a new map of Nepal, which has claimed three Indian territories, Lepulek, Kalapani, and Limpudhara, as Nepal territories. Nepal is believed to be leaning towards China, and all the investments and the influence of China over Nepal can be seen into effect. Nepal is believed to be leaning towards China, due to which Nepal is making a disputed statement as such. According to media reports, Indian Army Chief Manoj Mukund Narwane had said on May 15 that Nepal was making a statement on behalf of some other country. Actually, he was referring to China. After which the Deputy Prime Minister and Defense Minister of Nepal made his statement. Nepal Defense Minister said the Indian Army Chief's statement was hurtful. The sentiments of Nepalis and Gorkha people were heard because we were making sacrifices for Indian for very long time. He said on the Indo-Nepal border dispute that the army is ready to respond if necessary at any circumstances. During an interview, Nepal's defense minister made a statement saying that Army Chief Manoj Narwane gestured to China and Nepal in the diplomatical dispute is a reprehensible statement. He said if required, the Nepal army will also fight. He said Nepal's sentiment have been heard due to the statement of the Indian Army Chief, and Indian Army Chief should not be giving any political statements as such. He further said that such political statement by Indian Army Chief is condemnable. On the other hand, Nepalese Prime Minister KP Oli in the past made a statement in Parliament that all these three territories belongs to Nepal, which India has already claimed and has also issued a map that three territories on the Nepal and India border belongs to India. Earlier, the Prime Minister of Nepal has made a controversial statement by saying that the coronavirus coming from India is far more dangerous and menacing than the coronavirus of China. He said that people coming from India in Nepal is spreading coronavirus and that is far more dangerous state in Nepal. And now this statement made by his defense minister that we will deploy the army. The differences between India and Nepal and this critical time is into source, and India and Nepal, both the governments should come on the table and look into their differences and solve these issues. The effects of investment made in Nepal by China and all the political and diplomatical game played by China in Nepal has ultimately come into the effect, and the differences between India and Nepal is increasing day by day, and the influence of China can be seen absolutely viable. The statements made by the Prime Minister of Nepal and Defense Minister is absolutely condemnable, and it is alarming tune for India that what is going wrong with India and Nepal relationship. The influence of China need to be mitigated, and India need to come up with a plan of diplomatical and political solutions. Whatever the further development of the story may or might be, we will keep you updated and posted. Till for now, you can like, share and subscribe this channel and this video. Please do it.